Nipun, you're on mute.
Hi everyone. A warm welcome to everyone joining with us today. I'm your host Nilki, and I'll be one of your hosts for the cyber quiz happening today. With me are my other two hosts.
Hi, I'm Sasit.
And I'm Salakshi. Cyber Quiz 2.0, proudly organized by Connex Information Technologies. This quiz is a part of our Cyber Month celebrations, a fun and engaging way to test your cyber knowledge in your platform in the field. A big shout out to all our contestants and all the amazing people joining with us today. We hope you're ready for a very exciting and competitive session. When you're joining in for through the QR code, it's actually teams, one device per team. You can put up your team name and you will be all be needing to join in one device. So while we get the QR up on the screen, let's just give a few moments. Right, I hope you're ready. QR will load in just a few minutes. Right. So we'll scan the QR code fast. Like I said, it's one device per team. We can join using your team name. We'll just give a few minutes till everybody logs in.
line time garden leader කෙනෙක්. So ඔයගොල්ලෝ well aware තියපුවා ගැන. So ඒගොල්ලෝ recognize වෙලා තියෙනවා gardener forester so forth recognition bodies වල. So අපිට answers ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා correct answer එක client side protection. So ඔයගොල්ලෝ client side protection and advanced bot protection දෙකම තෝරලා තියෙනවා. So correct answer client side protection. So client side protection එකෙන් අපි supply chain වගේ attacks අපිට නවත්තන්න පුළුවන්. So we can prevent supply chain attacks to a certain level. So දැන් අපි බලමු leaderboard එකේ කවුද ඉන්නේ කියලා. So Routex ලා comeback එකක් අරන් තිනවා.
එකෙන් innovate third ඉඳන් ආයි second වලට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා.
APTS ලා
root access කියන කට්ටියත් උඩට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා. Congratulations team for moving up. Keep it up. So with that, we can move to the next question. Right, so looking at a completely different side. So application security pattern banne. So check marks. Well, in Thai question එක තියෙන්නේ. So check marks is actually a leading application and security testing solution designed to help developers detect and fix vulnerabilities. So a purpose එකේ solution එකේ ඔයගලන්ගේ code දෙකක තියෙන මොන හරි security issues හරි concerns හරි ඒ ඔක්කොම බලලා scan එකක් කරලා vulnerabilities එක ඔයගලන්ට report එකක් විදිහට පෙන්නන්න help කරන solution එක. So I can see that most people had actually got the answer. It was actually query builder. බලමු අපි leaderboard එකේ කවුද උඩින්ම ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා. Right, so Routex I lead දෙක ගන්නවා, Innova and APTS. We also have IFS strikers coming up.
Yes, they're making a comeback. So well
done. We can move on to the next question.
So the next question is about API security and API endpoint. So as ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පේන ඇති question එක object identifiers use කරලා API endpoints abuse කරන OWASP top 10 API category එක මොකක්ද? So answers පේන ඇති. So APIs කියන එක අතරම day to day ගත්තොත් ගොඩක් use වෙන application to applications connect කරන්න, right? So OWASP ලගේ වෙනම category එකක් තියෙනවා API risks වල. So correct answer එක අපිට බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් එක broken object level authorization එක බෝලා කියලා කියන්නේ. So බෝලා කියන එක අතරම ගොඩක් common and most famous attack type එකක් nowadays. So we බලමු ගොඩක් කට්ටිය එක හරියට උත්තරේ දීලා තියෙනවා. So Routex is maintaining their lead. So
IFS has come to third. We also have a new contender, Fishnet. Yes, congratulations. Team, keep it up.
A healthy competition going on between the participants.
Yes,
it's good. Next question. So which BOLAM feature simulates API attacks across endpoints to find vulnerability? So BOLAM කියන්නේ pure play API security product එකක්. So ඒගොල්ලෝ ගොඩාක් in-depth features offer කරනවා අපිට. අපි කලින් කතා කරා API security වල vulnerabilities. දැන් අපි බලමු මේ BOLAM වගේ product එකකින් මොන වගේ feature එකක්ද offer වෙන්නේ අපිට මේ vulnerabilities identify කරන්න. So correct answer එක API threat replay testing. So ඒගොල්ලෝ basically BOLAM attack එකක් කරන් ඒකේ complex paths remove කරලා ඒ attack එක ආයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ customers ලගේ API endpoints වලට attack කරලා check කරලා බලනවා කොහොමද ඒකේ integrity එක කියලා. So ඒක ගොඩක් help කරනවා අපිට application secure කරන්න. So Routex are still maintaining the lead, no? That's good.
Fishnet is coming up slowly. Keep up, team.
Okay, the next question is about vulnerability management. The question is, what is a major benefit of lightweight, always connected agents in modern vulnerability management? Vulnerability management kato scans karana puluwan in two ways. We have agents which are installed in your endpoints and they'll do the scan locally. And we also have scanner appliances which can, through the network, across the network, they can do the scan and give their results. What is the benefit?
Yes.
15 people. The answer is B. They give real-time asset visibility and vulnerability data anywhere. Routex is maintaining their first. Yes.
Other competitors, so they also ඉක්මනට උත්තර දෙන්න. ඒතොර ඉක්මනට ස්කෝර් එක ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ වැඩි කරගන්න පුළුවන්. So
I think we have blue chip as the highest climber as well. So, yeah, keep up.
Yeah,
you can also come into the top 5. So you're the highest climber, as you can see as well.
Next question is about a product that offers vulnerability management. What unique ID links the cloud agent scan data and all scanned IP results for a unified asset view? This question is from Qualis, which is one of the vulnerability management solutions that we offer at Connex.
Yes.
This was founded in 1999 as starting with vulnerability management, but now they've spanned across application security. We've got the answers already.
Yes.
We have 15.
5 people who got it correct. So 15 got it wrong. So I think this is a tricky question. So well done for those 5 teams.
It's like Innova is keeping a steady streak. You have come with the highest answer for under answer, and we had made it overall for the top 2.
Well done.
Well done. Brutex still maintaining their number 1 spot.
Yeah. Innova is catching up to Brutex.
Yes.
So they should be more quicker, right?
Yes. Right. Again, back to another application security testing technology. So we have Invicti. So just like Checkmarks, Invicti is also an application security solution, more looking into the DAST side of the application security management part.
Dynamic application self-testing.
Yes. So I can see the answers are coming in fast.
Yes. Okay, so
seems like lots of people have answered, but a fair amount of people have actually taken. I guess this too was a tricky question for them. So the correct answer was proof-based scanning. So let's see who has come up. I see Rutex is still maintaining their number 1 spot there.
So I think Innova got it wrong, right? They lost their streak.
Probably not, but we never know. Right, we can move on to the next question. So this is also based on the application security technology. So we do have multiple products in our portfolio, but looking at application security itself, it's all about checking your vulnerabilities, looking at scanning. So it could be web, it could be just your normal application. So when you're looking at the application security technology, it's actually a way to identify vulnerabilities that you may have in your resources or web applications also.
Yes.
So the answers did come in. Looks like everybody caught up this time. We have 20 for the correct answer, which was using parameterized queries or prepared statements.
Yeah, so looks like everyone knows how to prevent SQL injection.
Yes, and more on to application security side.
Yes.
Seems like Fishnet came to top 3. IFS did drop 1 rank, but don't worry, keep up. There are much more questions coming. I'm sure all the teams can come up places. We have MIT who has climbed up 4 spots. So keep up the good work, teams. We can move on to the next question.
This question is also about an application security tool. In Veracode, what is the main purpose of creating security policies within the platform? Now, Veracode, if you know about it, is a tool that focuses on both SAST and DAST.
Yes.
So it gives you visibility to your vulnerabilities from your first line of code, and it also tests your vulnerabilities during the runtime as well.
Yes. So the entire life cycle, right?
So it's a combination of products that we have already mentioned as well.
Yes.
A lot of people have gotten it right. We have 14 that have gotten it right.
Innova is making a comeback. They officially took the lead, so well done. And
we also
Byte
have
Defender.
Byte Defender, a new contender.
Next is about the scanners.
Right. So this is also another application security tool. Which of the following capabilities does the scanner provide for application security? I'm not going to go through the scanner because that would give the answer.
Yeah, that would give the answer.
This tool is, we have a lot of tools for application security in Connex profile.
Yeah.
Yes. And
don't know if everybody took a wild guess, but goda kattiyade answer ka correct. Right. Yes, they got
it
right.
It provides SAST and DAST, and it also provides mobile application security testing. Okay, so we have IFS has climbed up a spot. And next question.
Okay, just moving on from the whole application security technology, we have an introduction to the Microsoft family. So we have Azure DevOps, which is actually a development tool that enables teams to plan, build, test, and just work under deploying software collaboratively. So looking at it actually provides a complete DevOps toolchain, which actually helps you manage the entire software
So
lifecycle.
ගොඩක් pipe DevOps පැත්තටනේ CI/CD pipelines වගේ maintain කරලා.
ඒතරනේ ගොඩක් තව තියෙනවා, but Azure පැත්තෙන් බලුවොත් ඒ පැත්තට අපි concentrate කරනවා ගොඩක්.
Yes.
So it looks like we got the correct answer, and it is still maintaining their streak. Routex has come in second, and we have IFS that's actually making a comeback with an answer of 3 in a row.
Yes. Well done.
Well done. So we can move on.
The next question is about a new technology, continuous threat exposure management. Which generic ingestion mechanism in Balbix is used to import data from multiple sources? Balbix itself is a continuous threat exposure management tool. It offers continuous detection and remediation for vulnerabilities. That's not prioritizing it. Oh,
Seems like we have a set of people who are eager to answer the questions and go through.
So I think a lot of people got it wrong actually,
yes,
right?
we haven't got it right.
Yeah, so that's a good question. So I still maintaining the lead, so well
We
done.
have a new contender, Aegis.
Keep it up, Omeam.
Okay, the next question is about threat intelligence. Which open standard do threat intelligence platforms commonly use to share structured threat data?
මම හිතන්නේ මෙතන තියෙන ඔක්කොම ස්ටෑන්ඩඩ් ගොඩක් ස්ටෑන්ඩඩ්ස් අපි day to day use කරනවා.
Standard.
Organizations ගොඩක් use කරනවා.
Exactly.
Especially MITRE framework එක ගොඩක් popular. Oh. So
9 of you got it right.
yeah.
So
Correct answer is taxi. So that's a tricky question, I guess.
are still maintaining their first spot, but we have Aegis climbing up. The next question is also about another threat intelligence tool. Which threats does Cyber Vision's executive monitoring module track for high-profile executives? You can see 4 options on the screen. Cyber is a threat intelligence platform that scans millions of data points in the open, dark, and deep web to give you visibility of your threats outside your network. So it's like
It depends on OSINT, right? Open
Yes.
source intelligence.
a lot of people got it right. 17 of you got it right. The answer is B, detecting compromised credentials and deepfake impersonation of VIP personnel on social media.
So මම දැන් ගොඩක් කට්ටිය OSINT ගැන open source tools ගැන CTI platforms ගැන හොඳ idea එකක් තියෙනවා අපේ contestants ලට.
Yes.
So yeah. So I still maintaining the lead. So well done.
We have Aegis climbing up slowly.
Yeah.
Seems like they might be able to catch up. Right, so we have another threat intelligence product which are also under the portfolio. We have SOC Radar. So SOC Radar is actually a threat intelligence external attack surface management platform. So it's a product tag. So basically නිකන් මොන හරි early warnings හරි මොන හරි vulnerability එකක් දැක්කොත් අපිට actions ගන්න පුළුවන් early warnings detect කරන platform එක තමයි SOC Radar කියන්නේ.
Very similar to cyber.
Yes, very similar to cyber. Oh, looks like people are catching up. 18ක් ඒකට හරියට උත්තර දීලා තියෙනවා. So the answer was attack surface management or ASM.
Yes.
Keeping their lead.
Yes.
But we have a 3 in a row team. We have BTS who is actually catching up in the game. So they actually have answered 3 in a row properly. So we can
keep it up.
keep it up
Yes.
and then you will be able to catch up as well.
So now we have a vulnerability management tool that's from Microsoft. Microsoft Defender for vulnerability management. The question here is, what is the key differentiator of Microsoft Defender vulnerability management? 4 answers.
So this is like Microsoft's vulnerability
Yes.
management feature.
The best part about Microsoft vulnerability management feature is that you don't need an external agent. You already have, as long as you have Defender installed. This is all provided through Defender itself.
So another thing is like all these Microsoft products. So Microsoft take pen and ham product. Actually, Connex is actually a distributor for them.
Yeah.
So we have the capability and we have partnerships that enable us to actually help put out these products.
Yes.
So every Microsoft question that you may see here, other than that, whatever is in our portfolio, like I have the capability to provide it for partners, customers, for anybody who wants to pitch in Microsoft to the industry.
Yes.
I think a lot of people know about Microsoft. They've
Yes.
gotten it right.
Yes.
Yes.
We have the confidence and all those things because of the name that it carries.
So there's no change on the top 5. So Innova is still maintaining the lead. So the next question is about Trend Micro. So which statement best describes Trend Micro's Cybertron platform? So Trend Micro, has been like a 20-time Gartner leader. People are 20 times consecutively Gartner leader කෙනෙක් විදිහට endpoint protection platforms market එකේ ඉන්නවා. So ඒගොල්ලෝ ගොඩක් feature sets තියෙනවා. ඒගොල්ලෝ ගොඩක් application life cycle එකේ يعني malware detection part එකේ malware එක pre execution, during execution, post execution මේ හැම level එකකටම ඒගොල්ලෝ security එක දෙනවා. So
not just a product එක විතරක් නෙමෙයි කියන්නේ ගොඩාක් solutions දෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ එන trend එකත් එක්ක ඒගොල්ලන් හරි up to date සහ අලුත් technology හැම වෙලේම එළියට දාන
ගොඩක්
streak එකක් තියෙනවා.
ගොඩක් innovative. So ගොඩක් කටියට හරි answer එක දීලා තියෙනවා. So answer එක Trend Micro's large language model which is designed for cyber security threat detection and response. So Cybertron කියන්නේ ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ LLM capability. So ඒගොල්ලේ LLM concept එක ඒගොල්ලගේ model එක infuse කරලා තියෙනවා Trend Micro EDR protection එකත් එක්ක. ඒතර එතනින් අර more enriched analysis and results ගන්න පුළුවන් අර LLM AI කියන්නේ LLM brain capability එකත් එක්ක. So Innova still maintaining the lead. So Rutex ලට ටිකක් දැන් catch up කරන්න තියෙනවා. Innova lead එක කරන් තියෙනවා points 3000 වලින්. So keep it up.
Right. Well, 𝐂𝐲𝐻 are looking into the authentication aspect. So we have OneSpan, which is actually a digital and identifying for anti-fraud solutions. So OneSpan කියන්නේ multi-factor authentication, මොනවා හරි email signatures and ඒ වගේ දෙන solution එකකුත් තමයි. But ඒ පැත්තට බලුවොත් ඔය ඔක්කොගෙම පිටපස්සේ තියෙන්නේ අර IAM technology එක. So ඒක අපි SAML තියෙනවා service provider identity providers ඒ ඔක්කොම technology එක පාවිච්චි කරලා තමයි අන්න ඒ වගේ products උත් අපි ගාව තියෙනවා. So OneSpan රන්නේ අපි ගාව one login උත් තියෙනවා. So mini orange තියෙනවා. ඒ වගේ ගොඩක් products ඒ technology එක පාවිච්චි කරලා SAML protocol SSO protocol පාවිච්චි කරලා අපි like technology එක back end එක ඒක දෙලා products එක ඉස්සරහට එනවා.
Yes. So
looks like most of the people have got it right. So the answer is identity provider, IDP. We can see who is up the leaderboard.
Innova has
Looks like
19 correct answers.
Yes.
Innova is
Well done.
having a very hot streak going on.
But we also have Fishnet moving up.
Yes, you also have Fishnet moving up as well.
Okay, on to the next question.
So, like I said, we have OneSpan, which is actually one of these SAML using solutions that we have. So, when you're saying so OneSpan, like I said, it's an anti-fraud solution that we have. But it's not just that. Multi-factor authentication, e-signatures, all those things are actually provided by this solution.
application wrapping capability.
Yes. ඒක use කරන්න පුළුවන්. So ඒක විතරක් නෙමෙයි. So ගොඩක් products තියෙනවා අපිට ඕන requirements වලට දෙන්න පුළුවන්.
I think this is the question where most of them got it right.
Yes.
So literally almost everybody has got it right. So it's actually transaction signing security. I හිතන්නේ OneSpan බලන ගොඩක් කට්ටිය ඉන්නවා එතන.
හොඳයි අපේ audience
So,
එක idea එකක් තියෙනවා.
OneSpan කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා. I'm still keeping that streak, but they have made a huge gap between Rutex and Innova. Come on, teams, you can do it.
So the next question is about IAM. So අපි IAMs ගැන කතා කරන්නේ specifically mini orange ගැන. So ඔයගොල්ලන්ට question එක පේනවා. So mini orange ගත්තොත් ඒගොල්ලෝ leading IAM provider කෙනෙක්. So mini orange ලා SSO solutions, MFA solutions, user life cycle management වගේ features කිහිපයක්ම offer කරනවා. Not just single sign on. So ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ තියෙනවා features කිහිපයක්. So බලමු answer එක මොකක්ද කියලා. So correct ගොඩක් කට්ටිය correct answer එක තෝරලා තියෙනවා. So it's adaptive authentication. So adaptive authentication කියලා කියන්නේ අපිට පුළුවන් certain triggers configure කරන්න IP address, geolocation, time based ඒ වගේ factors කීපයක් define කරලා ඒවා trigger වෙනවා නම් user කෙනෙක් access කරනකොට application එක ඒ user ට MFA හරි මොනවාරි additional verification එකක් අපිට දෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඒතොර ඒකෙන් අත්‍තරම purpose එක අපිට make sure කරන්න පුළුවන් unauthorized access නැත්නම් අපිට sure නැති untrusted devices ඒ වගේ devices වලින් access කරනවා නම් users level always second level verification එකකින් secure කරලා authenticate කරලා ගන්න.
Second layer of protection is very much needed in these
days.
I'm pretty what things happening in the industry, you know.
Yes.
So that second level of protection is like a must.
Must to have, yeah. So this adaptive authentication is a good feature of Mini Orange. So yeah, so Innova is pulling ahead. So then you go.
New team that is having a comeback with 3 answers correct in a row. We have 𝐂𝐲𝐻𝐿. Please excuse if I do pronounce your team name wrong, but they are making a comeback with 3 answers in a row. So with that, we could move to the next question.
Yeah.
Right, so we have another IEM solution. I think I did mention this. We have OneLogin, who's also a very much known IEM provider. So we have the questions of which use attributes must exist for the AD connector to sync with OneLogin.
OneLogin and Mini Orange again.
So if you're looking at OneLogin, if we have many cloud vendors who want to move to a much more clouded platform, so for that OneLogin would be the product. But if it's on-prem, we have Mini Orange. So we have very vast IEM solutions for all requirements. So
ටිකක් tricky question එක but ගොඩක් කට්ටිය කාලේට answer කරලා තියෙනවා.
Yes.
So well done.
So the answer was first name, last name, user principal and email. Right, so ඒකත් එක්කම we have Entra ID. So again, one of the part of the Microsoft family. So Microsoft Entra ID is also used for authentication. So a product එක බලුවොත් දැන් ගොඩක් කට්ටිය Microsoft Authenticator එක day to day පාවිච්චි කරනවා. හැමෝම Outlook පාවිච්චි කරනවා day to day. So එහෙම වුණාම Entra ID එක use කරලා අර authentication mechanism එක පාව අපිට Microsoft හරහා ගන්න පුළුවන් without having other separate vendors.
Yes. So ගොඩක් කට්ටිය correct answer එක.
Yes.
So ගොඩක් කට්ටිය day to day Microsoft solutions use කරනවා.
So the correct answer requires MFA for use accessing resources outside the corporate network. So you can see that in the question also it highlights how much MFA is important for people accessing outside the network.
Yes. So MFA ගත්තාම IAM ගත්තාම ඒක identity security කියන දේ ගොඩක්ම දැන් day to day දේවල් වලට application accessing දේවල් වලට ගොඩක් important.
Looks like we had a little bit of tough questions, but ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ streak එක තාම maintain කරන් තියෙනවා. But Routex is actually catching up with just a few of a gap.
කලින් points 0 day. Yeah, 0 day.
That's a streak of
Okay.
15 correct
answers in a row.
So should be careful from 0 days. So okay, next question. So ඊළඟට අපි කතා කරන්නේ threatmon ගැන. So ඔයාලට පේනවා ඇති which threatmon capability uses AI and big data to track APTs, ransomware and database. APTs කියන්නේ advanced persistent threats. So මේක මම ඔයාලා උත්තරේ දුන්නාට පස්සේ මම explain කරන්න නැත්නම් ඒක answer එක කෙලින්ම දාගන්න. Yeah, it's gives it away. වගේ similar attack surface management visibility දෙන platform. Oh great. So
wow,
almost all have
got it correct.
Correct, yeah. So it's obvious question එක නම් මේක තියෙනවා ඒක cyber threat intel platform එක. So CTI platform එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ. So අපේ තියෙන 𝐂𝐲𝐻, cyber වගේ solutions වලට ගොඩක් similar. So answer එක risk IQ ඒගොල්ලෝ risk Microsoft ලා risk IQ කියන company එක acquire කරලා තමයි ඒගොල්ලෝගේ cyber threat intel platform එක build කරේ solution එක.
So we have 5 participants. We won't reveal the names. We have 5 participants who has hit a 3-on-3 answer streak where they have got 3 in a row correct.
Yes.
Again, Innova is keeping their streak as the first in the leaderboard. Then we have Brutex, IFS Strikers, AGs, and Fishnet as well.
Yeah.
So let us move to the new question.
Yeah.
Right, so looking into the IGA platform. So we first talked about IAM, now we have IGA. So IGA is actually Identity Governance and Administration.
Okay.
So IAM එක ගත්තාම අර access part එකයි PAM එක ගත්තාම ඒත් access part එකයි. But IGA එකක් ගත්තාම අර access කරාන් පස්සේ කොහොමද user කෙනෙක්ව maintain කරලා ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ resources හරියට allocate කරලා part එක තමයි මේ පැත්තෙන් අර governance part එක කොහොමද අපි manage කරන්නේ.
Overall user life cycle එකම
Yes, life cycle එකම අපිට බලන්න පුළුවන් idea එකක් තියෙනවා. So ඒ වගේ product එකක් තමයි actually Savient තියෙන්නේ. So තව IGAs තියෙනවා but Savient is actually a well known IGA product. Looks like most of the people have actually got it correct. So the answer is identity governance with cloud security and access risk analytics.
So I think a lot of people know about IGAs, right? So
yes.
that's
So
good.
it's the new upcoming thing. So it's not just IAM anymore, it's IGA too.
Yeah. ගොඩක් අපේ ලංකාවේ customer BFSI customers ලාට එහෙම ගොඩක් IGAs ඉස්සරහට ගොඩක් use කරට වෙනවා.
It's still keeping their streak, but we do have CyberCore who is actually coming up the leaderboard with the answer of 3 of 3 streak. So keep up, teams. We could move on to the next question. So we do have another IGA product as well. So this question is actually based on one identity. So that's actually, I talked about one login first, which is actually an IAM solution, but it's actually a child solution of the overall company of one identity. So one identity also focuses on IGA, the governance aspect, and has provided a new range of solution aspects so that people can actually combine it with the original one login IAM solution as well.
After Savient, it's something like a competitor to Savient.
Yes, it is a competitor, but something that you could use with one login as well.
Okay.
So I think the answer was very straightforward. So we have 18 who have got it correct. So the answer was one identity manager. I think I almost gave it away with the name.
Yes.
Yes.
It's right there on the name itself.
Right there on the answer.
Yeah. So moving on to the next question, let's see the dashboard before. So Innova is still maintaining the lead.
0 day still has their streak.
19 correct answers.
19 correct answers.
Well done in 0 day. So you're more dangerous than a 0 day attack, I would say. So next up is about cloud gnosis. So how does cloud gnosis helps organizations maintain compliance in multi-cloud environments? So cloud gnosis gattama egolla CNAPP solution, cloud native application protection platform. So CNAPP solution එකෙන් ආගේ cloud workloads, IAM policies, databases, තව ඔය දුවන VMs ඒ වගේ ගොඩක් resources වලට manage කරන්න පුළුවන්. වගේ security පැත්ත, application development පැත්ත, SaaS DAST ඒවා තියෙනවා. ඊට VMs හරියට config වෙලා තියෙනවද? ඒ වගේ policies apply කරන්න පුළුවන්ද? ඒ වගේ දේවල්. Plus ආට AI security ඒගොල්ලෝගේ inbuilt එකක් තියෙනවා. So answer එක A provides templates, monitoring and remediation for compliance. So ඒගොල්ලෝගේ inbuilt templates තියෙනවා, compliance templates. ඒගොල්ලෝගේ continuous monitoring scenario එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒගොල්ලෝ post එක continuously monitor කරනවා. And ඒගොල්ලෝගේ vulnerability remediation option එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ organization එක තියෙන assets vulnerabilities free ද කියලා check කරනවා. So මම හිතන්නේ ගොඩක් කට්ටිය CNAPP කියන concept එක ගැන idea එකක් තියෙනවා අපේ participants ලාට. So well done. Oh,
Fishnet's going up.
yeah.
Fishnet climbed up a spot. 0 day has a streak with 20 answers correct in a row. You all might be coming up the leaderboard faster than we can see.
Yes.
Fishnet has come to 4th. Innovate is still keeping their streak. We have Brutex as well, again with less than 2,000 of a gap between the two teams.
That's good. Okay, let's move on to the next
question.
question.
Question is also about another CNAPP solution, but this is from a cloud provider itself.
Yeah.
Microsoft Defender for Cloud. This is also again CNAP solution, it provides 𝐂𝐲𝐻 cloud security posture management, workload protection, make it DevSecOps කැලලකුත් තියෙනවා. And this question was, how does Microsoft Defender for Cloud implement zero trust principle? Zero trust principle, we apply the concept of never trust, always verify. So whether that's a legitimate user or an illegitimate user, we always, before giving them access, we always verify and then give them access. And even when giving them access, we only give them the least level of access that they need, so that, and මං හිතන්නේ ගොඩක් කට්ටිය
ගොඩක් කට්ටිය zero trust කියන principles ඒගොල්ලෝ ගොඩක් well aware. So අතරම nowadays cyber security solutions cyber security concepts ගත්තාම හැම වෙලාවෙම අපි දන්න කට්ටියවයි දන්නේ නැති කට්ටියවයි දෙගොල්ලෝම equally අපි මේ verify කරනවා. ඔව් අපිට ඒකින්ද අර privilege level එකකට වඩා always we should verify. So එන්නේ concept එක තමයි ගොඩක් solutions වල cyber security solutions වල දැන් use වෙන්නේ. ඔව්. So
ගොඩක් කට්ටිය almost everybody has got it correct.
Yes.
So let's see who has either climbed up or is still maintaining their streak in the leaderboard. Noah is also still maintaining their streak. So we have again AI 𝐂𝐲𝐻. I'm so sorry. Who has a 3-on-3 for answer streak. So before moving on to the next question, just to give all teams a heads up, we only have 10 more questions remaining. So please let us go through these 10 questions as well.
Yeah, so next one is 𝐂𝐲𝐻. So 𝐂𝐲𝐻 is a CNAP solution as I talked from කලින් කතා කරපු cloud gnosis වගේම solution එකක් තමයි 𝐂𝐲𝐻 කියන්නේ. So අර answers ටික ඔයාලට බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. So මම ඔයාලා answer එක දුන්නාට පස්සේ explain කරන්න නැත්නම් explain කරොත් already answer එක දාන්න. So ඇත්තටම ගොඩක් simple, it's very easy. So 𝐂𝐲𝐻 is again a CNAP cloud native application protection platform. So ඒගොල්ලගේ මම කලින් කතා cloud gnosis like කතා කරා වගේ ඒගොල්ලගේ application security posture management, ඒතර SaaS DAS ඒ වගේ දේවල් inbuilt cloud security posture management, ඒතර ඒගොල්ලගේ cloud workloads secure කරන්න ඒ වගේ දේවල් තියෙනවා, plus AI security posture management. So මේක ටිකක් unique feature එකක්. මොකද දැන් ගොඩක් applications වල LLM models integrate වෙලා තියෙනවා. So දැන් LLM security කියන එකත් upcoming there. So ඒ වගේ LLM infused information, features, models ඒ වගේ applications වලට security දෙන්න මේ 𝐂𝐲𝐻 ලගේ මේ CNAP platform එකේ මේ AI SPM කියන vertical එක use කරන්න පුළුවන්. So එතන බලන් ගියාම මේ CNAP කියන්නේ overall picture එකක්. මේ කියන sub categories ASPM, CSPM, AISPM කියන ඒවා all include
combine කරලා එකට.
combine කරලා තියෙනවා. So ගොඩක්ම දැන් ඉස්සරහට industry එකේ ගොඩක් මෙන්න මේ CNAP solution එක ගොඩක් customers ලාට use කරන්න වෙයි. මොකද ගොඩක් features collectively තියෙනවා customer කෙනෙක්ට centrally මුළු entire life cycle එකමයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ all assets වෙයි හැම දෙයක්ම manage කරන්න ගියොත්. Okay. So ඒක ලොකු change එකක් නැහැ dashboard එකේ.
But IFS strike that IS 17.
ඊළඟට අපි කතා කරන්නේ most common type of technology එකක් ගැන, which is the difference between EDR and XDR, endpoint detection and response, and extended detection and response. ඔයාලට පේන ඇති අපි අහන්නේ මොකද්ද main difference එක කියලා. So XDR කියන්නේ next generation of EDR, right? So අපි කියන්නේ දෙමු just brief එකක් දෙන්න. XDR කියන්නේ EDR වල next generation එක. So ගොඩක් කට්ටිය හරි ආන්සර් එක තෝරලා තියෙනවා. So EDR එකක වෙන්නේ basically endpoint data තමයි use කරන්නේ. But අපි XDR එක ගත්තාම not just endpoint, network data, cloud එකේ result වෙන assets එකේ multiple sources use කරනවා.
The next step. EDR එකේ next step එක XDR
එක. Multiple sources use කරලා correlate කරලා attacks detect කරනවා.
Yes.
So, අපේ solutions කිහිපයක්ම තියෙනවා XDR. අපි Trend Micro තියෙනවා, Palo Alto Cortex XDR. So හැම ඒ products ඔක්කොම XDR වලට ගන්න පුළුවන්.
Leaderboard එකේ අපිට ලොකු වෙනසක් නැහැ, but we do have IFS who's keeping
the streak of 18.
18 answers.
18 answers in a row.
Well done. ඊළඟ question එක. So මම කලින් Palo Alto Cortex ගැන Cortex XDR ගැන කතා කරා. So මේ අහන්නේ Cortex XDR solution එක. Cortex XDR solution එකේ traditional EDR solution එකයි වෙනස, right? So පාලට ගත්ත ප්‍රඩක්ට් එකක් වශයෙන් ඒගොල්ලා almost 11 years Gartner leader කෙනෙක් firewalls, almost 3 years Gartner leader කෙනෙක් consecutively ඔය XDR solutions වල SASE SSE දේවල් වල
කවුරුත් දන්නේ නැති solution එකක් නෙවෙයි කවුරුවල්ද කියන්නේ.
well established
Well established globally, not just
So,
here.
පාලට
The biggest products we
do
Also, yes, distribute.
පාලට තමයි ලෝකෙට world's first AI powered and LLM powered next generation firewall එක introduce කරේ, and also ඒගොල්ලෝ තමයි most valuable cyber security company එක world එකේ මේ at this moment. So again එතන demonstrate කරන කොච්චර potential එකක් මේ product එකට තියෙනවද. not just Cortex ඒගොල්ලෝගේ firewall එක පැත්ත SASE පැත්ත වගේ ගොඩක් technologies වල ඒගොල්ලෝ leader එකක් විදිහට ඉන්නවා. So ගොඩක් කඩේ හරි answer එක තෝරලා තියෙනවා. So it integrates endpoints, network, cloud data for unified detection. Okay.
We have 4 participants climbing up with a streak of 3 of 3. We are coming towards the last bit of questions that we have. But don't give up hope. All teams, don't give up hope. You can still climb up the leaderboard and come up like all these other contestants as well. So Innova is still keeping there. Number 1 spot.
Huge difference between all 5 teams.
Yes, there's only literally probably about 1,500 point difference between actually each team on the leaderboard here.
Yeah, the 4th and 5th team, they are very close. They're just separated by 100
So we
points,
have
right?
Fishnet at number 4 and AG's at number 5.
5.
So we'll move on to the next question then. So the next question is actually on SIEM. So anybody who has worked with Connex knows that SIEM is one of our, just like Palo Alto, we have our SIEM. So our main SIEM is logarithm, but we have other SIEMs which have been introduced to our portfolio. So one is actually Gurukul.
Yeah.
So just like you said, while Palo Alto is the next gen firewall, Gurukul is actually the next gen SIEM.
Yes.
So it combines SIEM capabilities, UABA, SOA capabilities. We combine all of them together, and then we have Gurukul as well.
Yeah.
So not just this, we have other products like Greylog, we have LogSign.
Secure,
Yes, we do have Secure as well.
We have a very strong
Portfolio for SIEMs, yes.
products කීපයක්ම තියෙනවා SIEMs වල. Different verticals වලට, different scenarios වලට.
So it looks like everybody knows what SIEM is. So we have 27 correct answers. So the answer is enriches analytics with threat intel and behavioral models. Looks like everybody knows how SIEM works.
So that's good. ගොඩක් හොඳයි. SIEMs are like the most important kind of things when it comes to investigations, right?
Investigations
So-
for an overall organization, you need an SIEM.
Definitely. Yeah.
So we can see, we'll check who moved up or got a high streak. So, we're still keeping their streak. Once again, we have 3 participants who have reached a 6 on 6 answering streak. So 6 correct answers in a row. 3 participants have done. So with that, we'll move on to the next question. Right. So like Sasit mentioned, so we have Secure as well as one of our other SIEM. So when you're looking at Secure, Secure is actually also a new upcoming SIEM, but what's special about Secure is they're actually an AI-driven SIEM. So like I said, AI, ML is this new upcoming thing in the industry.
Yeah, so similar to Guru. Right?
Yes, so just like that, they use AI-driven capabilities to handle all their detection, analyzing within the SIEM as well. So looks like the answers are already done. We have 22 correct answers. So the answer was prioritized responses aligned with organizational risk tolerance. I think everybody's in the concept of SIEM.
SI. So
කොහොමද දන්නවා?
Yeah.
So බය නැතුව ප්‍රශ්න උත්තර දෙන්න පුළුවන් questions එකක් තමයි දීලා තියෙන්නේ අපි.
Innova ලගේ points වැඩි වුණේ නැහැ.
Yes.
True text ලා catch up කරා දැන්.
Yes. But we do have Cyber Guardians, a new name that popped up in our leaderboard. They have
Yes.
hit a 11 on 11 streak. 11 correct answers in a row.
Well done.
Well done.
So yeah, let's move on to the next question. So next question is on concentric AI, which is a data security posture management solution. So concentric AI differs from traditional DLP solutions because it does what, right? So concentric AI ගත්තොත් ඒගොල්ලගේ AI infused data security posture management features තියෙනවා. එතකොට for example sensitive data එයාට AI use කරලා classify කරගන්න පුළුවන්, tag කරන්න පුළුවන්, identify කරගන්න පුළුවන්.
keyword based.
Keyword and regex based
Yeah.
solutions, right? So ගොඩක් කට්ටිය ඒක තෝරලා තියෙනවා. So ගොඩක් කට්ටිය කෙලින්ම DLP එක traditional DLP එකට වඩා
DSP ගැන කට්ටිය දන්නවා.
කට්ටිය හොඳ awareness එකක් තියෙනවා. So answer එක B, uses natural language processing to detect sensitive data by context and intent. Right? As I mentioned, AI and natural language processing technologies use කළා තමයි ඒක concentric AI solution එකේ කරන්නේ. Yes. So අපි leaderboard එකට ගියොත් okay, Innova again taking the lead, and yeah, the top 5 is unchanged. So
there's not even a 10-point difference between the third and fourth.
Oh,
Yes.
so it's a really close battle
Really
for
close
third place.
So Fishnet does have a few more questions to catch up, but IFS, you should keep your streak up as well. Don't let yourself go down. So we just have a few more questions remaining.
Okay, so the next question is again about the data security posture management, which is called Veronis, right? So which Veronis feature helps detect insider threats and misuse of sensitive data. So මම කලින් අපි concentric AI ගැන කතා කරා වගේ Veronis උත් AI email features use කරලා තමයි data classify කරන්නේ, ඒවා identify කරගන්නේ, tag කරන්නේ, ඒ වගේ data security entire posture management capability එකක් එයාගේ තියෙනවා. So not just posture management, එයා UEBA entity behavior analysis, data governance පැත්ත, and එයාගේ AI powered DLP එකක් තියෙනවා. So එයා ගොඩක්ම AI capabilities and ගොඩක්ම features තියෙනවා traditional DLP එකට වඩා.
කොහොම DLP එකේ කරන්න පුළුවන් capabilities එක AI technology එකත් use කරලම කරන්න පුළුවන් solution එක තමයි.
EDR වල next generation එක XDR, ඒ වගේ DLP වල next generation එක data security posture management.
And everyone has completed, right?
Yeah, so this is the first
I think this
question.
is the first question that not almost, everybody, all contestants have got the answer right.
I guess everyone knows about Veronis very well.
Yes.
Well done. So, Fishnet made a
I
comeback.
think I spoke too soon. And Fishnet did climb up to
But IFS
spot
also
number 3.
keeping their streak.
Yes.
Of 23.
Yes.
Yeah, so well done, IFS.
The next question is also about another DSPM technology, but this time from the Microsoft family.
Yeah.
Microsoft Purview. Which Microsoft Purview feature integrates AI-driven detection of sensitive data and risky user behavior? Purview 2, like Veronis and Concentric AI, goes beyond traditional DLP solutions, and it offers this classification and labeling of all sensitive data based on not just the location, but the content and the context of it.
Yeah.
And a very nice feature of Purview is that it can also detect sensitive data being uploaded into LLMs like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot. And I think a lot of people got that right. The answer was B, insider risk management.
So if they are already using Microsoft solutions, I guess using
This would just be an addition.
Addition,
It'll
But I
be
think
so
this Purview product is actually not something people actually knew. So
It's a
I
very
think
new
it's a
product.
new product that actually has come out with its capabilities.
Yeah.
Right, so
Not
we
a
still
huge
have,
change in the
yes,
leaderboard,
but we do have, yes, we do. So
We
they have
SLTS coming, making a comeback actually.
with
three
Three in a row.
in a row. So with that, we could move on. So we do just the last few questions that are actually coming.
We have GTB, which is one of our biggest products.
Yes.
The question here is, what are the data classification mechanisms that comes with GTB for file classification? GTB, as you all would know, is a DLP solution, and it's not just a normal DLP solution, it's an AI-driven DLP solution.
Yeah.
It enforces DLP policies based on, again, not just their location, but based on their content and context. We have 12 people who have answered correctly.
Looks like it was a little tough question.
Yeah, it was a bit tough.
It was a bit tough.
But we have a lot of customers who are using GTB, and
yes.
it's a well-known product. So, yeah, let's see the leaderboard, how it is. Oh,
That's
Ages. Come on.
So Aegis made a huge comeback to gain third place, and
Cyber Guardians has also got a 15 on 15 streak and is like coming up. So before going to the next question, just a reminder, we are at our last 2 questions of the quiz. So to everybody in the leaderboard and everybody coming up and all that, pay attention. These are your last 2 questions.
Yeah.
So with that, we will move on to the next question.
So the next question is based on 𝐂𝐶𝐫. So 𝐂𝐶𝐫 is basically a vulnerability management and remediation solution. So typically we use 𝐂𝐶𝐫 to do like agentless or agent-based agent-based vulnerability management.
I think it has both, right?
Yeah, it has both. So it has patchless options. It has script-based mitigation options. So it does a virtual patching when it comes to your organizational assets, and not just the patching part. You have continuous monitoring, detection, and a lot more inbuilt into it. So I would say it's not a traditional vulnerability management solution. It's a more feature-rich and AI-infused, and it has a lot more capabilities when it comes to
very new products that we have
recently onboarded to our portfolio. And it's also like similar to Qualys and a few 𝐵𝐵𝐿 and a few more. Rapid7. Yeah.
With that, I think this is our second question with a full answer streak. So it looks like everybody has got it correct.
Looks like everyone knows about 𝐂𝐶𝐫.
Well, yes.
So let's see the dashboards. Okay, so we now are holding strong.
Holding strong. Brutex also keeping their position. 𝐂𝐸 is also keeping the Cyber Guardians streaks. Yes. I guess we've reached the last question.
So let's see who's
gonna be the winner takes it all.
Yeah.
Okay. Another vulnerability management solution we've had for a very long time, Rapid7. What makes Rapid7 Insight VM's real risk score better than a standard CVS's? So this is a vulnerability management and remediation solution. Connex has had Rapid7 for I think quite a long time.
Yes.
And it offers live dashboards, risk prioritization based on threat intelligence, and it also has an automation capabilities to automation workflows to in ticketing and other things. Okay. Oh.
So there is a streak. Again, almost everybody has got it correct.
Yeah.
I think some people were not able to answer as well.
Yeah, I think a lot of participants here know about
vulnerability management
and specifically Rapid7 because we've been doing it for quite some time.
Yeah.
And
I think one thing I missed was this is one of the solutions that provides both on-prem and cloud. So we have Insight VM for the cloud version, and we have Nexpose for the on-prem as the on-prem version.
Yes.
Take a look at the leaderboard.
So let's see who's going to take the crown.
See.
Oh.
So in third place we have 𝐂𝐸. In second place we have Brutex, and in first place, let us give a moment for it. We have 𝐂𝐸. So congratulations to all three teams.
Yes.
Everybody played well. We saw so many climb ups in the leaderboard, so many streaks going for 6 on 6.
Competition.
Yes, and the competition and all that.
Yeah, and it was really close because some were
just 10 points,
100 points. So I think the audience here knows a lot about our products,
our portfolio, what we provide.
Yeah.
I think all three podium sitters, we have less than 6 questions wrong.
Yeah.
All three of them.
So looks like they are very much aware of what our product and portfolio provides and about the technology as well.
So once again, congratulations to all three of you, and also thank you for all our other participants.
Thank you for participating and having some healthy competition, of course. So with that, I guess all of you all can catch a breath now, so that you all have some time now. So with that, we three will actually be signing off. It was a pleasure to be your hosts for this Cyber Quiz 2.0. We hope to see all of you all next year. Of course, we will have this next year as well. So with that, while the three of us signing off, I'd like to invite 𝐂𝐸𝐺𝐿 𝐶𝐿, our manager of channel relations here at Connex IT. So with him having to close this amazing session down, we three as your hosts will be signing off. So thank you. Have a wonderful evening.
Bye.
very good evening to everyone, and congratulations to winners. I'm 𝐂𝐲𝐧𝐧𝐞𝐱, Manager Channel Relations for Connex. And as this event came to an end today, I would like to give a quick thank to all our valuable partners who took time to basically register and take part in this quiz. And your interest shown was really made this event a success. And we highly appreciate your engagement, because that is all what we require. That's all what we hope for, and that is our biggest strength. And also, I need to give a special thank to our amazing technical team here at Connex. Their immense contribution and hard work put on to this hosting this event, and all the preparation that they have done is really remarkable. So thank you so much. And their knowledge and insight they have shared also pretty much interesting, and definitely most of you have already engaged with our team, so do you know our specialties and how we work on our technical aspects. And also our marketing and digital marketing team for launching and organizing this event and make this a success. And finally, our Connex management for accommodating this initiative, because of this type of initiatives towards our partners and keep the engagement going. It's really important. And so, as I mentioned, it's a very quick note, and I believe today it's a well-spent evening with some interesting interaction and fun and knowledge insight shared as well. So once again, thank you so much, everyone, for making this event a successful today. And we really hoping to see you all next year as well. So thank you. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.